Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Adzviser now works with another data warehouse destination, Google BigQuery. And in today's video, I will show you how to export your Facebook ads data and Shopify data directly to BigQuery and set up a daily pipeline so that your latest marketing and sales data is automatically synced to your BigQuery dataset. Let's jump right in. All right, so let's set up our very first Google BigQuery pipeline in Adzviser interface. Let's create a new pipeline called Facebook Ads Daily. Okay, and let's create our new destination within Google BigQuery. And for this very one, let's call it Adzviser Demo. For the project ID, we can get it from our GCP directly. We can get it from here. And for the dataset prefix, let's leave it as is. And for the dataset location, let's keep it as United States. You can also adjust it per your likings to EU or whichever one that you feel the most comfortable in. And for service account JSON, this is something that I do want to elaborate on. Let's go back to our GCP and let's go to IAM. Okay, and let's simply go to service accounts. Let's create a new service account, okay, called BigQuery Adzviser. Okay, done. And for this very service account, we need to grant it a few permissions, okay? And these are the permissions that we need to grant it, okay? And they are BigQuery data editor. Very good. And BigQuery job users. Awesome. Save. Okay, beautiful. And now that this new service account in our GCP has been granted these two new permissions, let's create a new security key. Let's create a new key. Let's create it as a JSON security key. And we just downloaded this new file, which is the JSON file. And we're going to copy paste the content of that file to our Adzviser interface right here. Okay, you're going to see something like this pasted. And you're simply going to hit that test button. Okay, it says that, hey, BigQuery connection successful. And then now let's save this destination. Beautiful. And let's click next. And let's go to Facebook ads. Let's click demo as our account to pull our Facebook ads data from. And for the metrics, let's select impressions, reach, and spend. What else? Link clicks, why not? And for the breakdowns, let's also do account name, campaign name. Okay, for the frequency, let's do daily. For the mode, let's backfill our data into our BigQuery at first, and then let's set a schedule to this pipeline, meaning that we want to, hey, populate the historical data of our Facebook ads data up until yesterday. And then starting from today, after we schedule a new trigger each day, it will continue to push new updates of our data to Google BigQuery. Okay, now let's do last 7 days, daily. That sounds good. Okay, let's preview our data. Okay, so this is the preview of the data that we're about to push to Google BigQuery. All right, and then let's start the export. Okay, export completed, and let's go back to BigQuery and see if it is true. Okay, all right, I do see a new dataset created and then a table within this dataset called Adzviser Demo, and the table is called Facebook Ads. And let's preview this data and see what has been exported. Alrighty, so the data has been successfully pulled from Adzviser to your Google BigQuery as we wanted to, and it was indeed from the past 7 days. Okay, awesome. And now let's slightly adjust our established pipeline to make it run daily in the future. So let's switch from run once to schedule. Let's make the frequency to daily, and let's make the data range per run to yesterday. For run at, you can keep it at 6 a.m. or you can change it to any time per your preference. Let's keep it at 10 a.m. This means that, hey, every day at 10 a.m., this pipeline will run and it will pull this set of metrics and this set of breakdowns from your demo, from our demo Facebook ads account to your Google BigQuery destination. All right, and now the mode of our pipeline has been successfully changed to a schedule mode from run once mode. And let's now just simply save our schedule. Awesome. So this means that every day at 10 o'clock in the morning, LA time zone, we will be able to see new data being pushed in to this very table that we just created. Okay, now let's pull some Shopify data in. Shopify daily. And now let's select the very same destination as we just created. Next. And then let's select the Shopify account. The Shopify, let's do this. Okay, what do we want? Let's do gross sales, returns, and discounts. What about that? For the breakdowns, let's keep it as blank. For the mode, let's keep it as run once, okay? The past 7 days, and then let's still do a daily time granularity, okay? Okay, let's preview the data. It's gonna take a while because sometimes Shopify API just takes a while. Okay, this looks good. This was indeed from the past 7 days, and let's simply export the data. It's running the export in the backend. Okay, it looks like, hey, the export was successful. And now let's take a look. Okay, awesome. So we have created another data set. Okay, and this is the Shopify data residing within that data set. Okay, here is a preview of the data, and it looks good to go. Okay, last but not least, we do want to, again, make a slight adjustment after the backfill of our previous run and make our Shopify data pipeline run every day. Okay, and let's schedule a new trigger. Let's say daily yesterday at 10 a.m. as well. And let's simply do save schedule. Alrighty, now we have successfully configured 2 pipelines to pull from our Shopify accounts and Facebook ads accounts for their data and push these data to a BigQuery destination. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video makes sense. I will talk soon. Bye-bye. Adzviser, 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 Adzviser.